Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what you already have. Glance at the router's sticker for default SSID and password, because many routers ship with printed credentials. Once you locate a connected laptop or phone, open its Wi-Fi settings to reveal saved passwords. This is often the quickest route. Make sure to have the router admin username and password or your ISP paperwork ready, since you may need them to access the router interface if defaults were changed. You now access the router's admin interface. Connect directly by Ethernet or use a device already on the network, then visit the router IP like 192, 168, 1 in a browser. Log in with admin credentials. Once inside, navigate to wireless or security settings to locate the WPA2/WPA3 passphrase. If the password is masked, you can reveal or replace it. Change it to a strong phrase. You finish by reconnecting each device using the discovered or newly set password and reboot the router to ensure settings apply. If you cannot log into the admin panel because credentials were changed and you lack them, perform a factory reset. Hold the reset button, then reconfigure from defaults. Note this erases custom settings. If the router is ISP managed or the admin login is provided by your provider, call ISP support before resetting to avoid service disruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.